Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will be looking at how to create a QR code on Microsoft Word and PowerPoint. This shouldn't take long. You can do it in minutes with this simple add-on. Let's get straight to the video. But before we go ahead, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. For this tutorial we will be creating a QR code for my Facebook page. Let me go to my browser and get the link for my page. Copy the link from your browser. Paste it to your Word document. We will be creating a QR code for this link here. Now open the Microsoft Store. On the search bar, type in QR code. This should bring up a whole lot of apps. I will be choosing the QR for Office application. Click on Add. And then click on Continue. Over here, on the drop-down list, you have many options to create a QR code. Nice, we are creating one for a website link. Let's leave it at the one that is already selected. Now copy and paste the link into this box here. Since our link is an HTTPS link, choose the option with HTTPS in here. Make sure you only copy this part of the link here, and paste it into the box. You can play around with the colors as to your requirement. I will leave it at black and white. You can also change the size of the QR code. Let me increase the size a little bit. Same with the error correction, you can play around it. I will select at 30% for this tutorial. Okay guys, that's all for the editing part. You have now successfully created a QR code for your Word document. Click on Insert and it should appear on your document. Now, if you would like to know where you installed your QR code app, it's over here on My Apps. If you click on it, it should show you all the apps that you have installed. Next, let's look at how to create a QR code on PowerPoint. Open the PowerPoint application. Open a blank slide. Go to Insert. Check on the My Apps. There is nothing in here. Therefore, open the Microsoft Store and add the QR for Office application. Paste your link into your slide. Copy and paste it into the box here. Before that, change this to HTTPS as we did in our earlier example on Word. The rest of the edits are as before. You can work your way around it. It's now ready for use. So click on Insert and it will appear on your slide. Let me show you if it opens on my mobile QR code scanner application. Open the application. Point the scanner at the QR code on your laptop screen. And it should easily detect. As you can see, the link is already detected. Let me open it, and it will take me straight to my Facebook page. That's all to this video guys. Thanks for watching. And if this video helped you, please like my video, and share it among your friends, and comment on my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment if you have any questions. See you on my next video guys, and bye for now.